The SQ5 is one of Audi's performance SUVs, and we have this 2022 Sportback model on only 1900 miles in stock now. The SQ5 already features a stellar factory specification, but this SQ5 features a few optional additions, including the glorious metallic ultra blue paintwork. It's got the OLED rear lights, the Matrix LED headlights, and the 21-inch 5 twin-spoke wheels. So moving inside, this SQ5 benefits from the carbon fibre interior inlays. It also features a comfort and sound package, which includes the Bang Olufsen sound system. It's got the 360 reversing camera and the interior ambient lighting package. This SQ5 has successfully completed our preparation process, where our team of highly talented detailers have meticulously prepared this car to a condition that's arguably better than new. If you want to find out more information about this car, I recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.